Children, we just started the new lesson, time. And today we will study how to convert hour into minute. We all know that 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. All of you look here, how to convert hour into minute. Look here, convert into minutes. We know that the equation 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. With this equation, we are converting hour into minute. Multiply the given hour with 60. Then you will get the answer. First one, 4 hours. 4 hours, how you will convert this into minute? First of all, you have to multiply this with 60. We know that 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Then 4 hour equal to 4 into 60. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 4 hour equal to 4 into 60. Which is the easy method. You no need to multiply this with 60. You just find out 6 into 4. 6 4s are 24. Then put this 0. 24, 240 minutes. This is the answer. Then second question. 1 hour 50 minutes. How will you convert? We know that 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Then 1 hour 50 minutes. 1 hour means 60 plus 50 minutes. 60 plus 50. 1 hour 50 minutes equal to 60 minutes plus 50 minute equal to 60 plus 50. Find out. If you can do directly, then no need of writing this in the working column. Just find out. 0, 6 plus 5, 11. 110 minutes. 110 minutes. Then next 2 hours 50 minutes. Find out. Write down 1 hour equal to 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Then 2 hour 50 minutes equal to 2 hour 50 minutes equal to 1 hour. How many minutes? 60 minutes. Then 2 hour equal to 2 into 60 plus 50 minutes. That is equal to 2 into 6. 2 6 are 12. 120 minutes plus 50 minutes. 120 plus 50. 120, 50. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 2, 7. 1. 170 minutes. Equal to 170 minutes. Always remember this equation and multiply when it is given in hour and you have to convert this into minute. Multiply this with the 60. All of you do the homework. Study well. Okay.